Hello, I'm Dan Vandebunty, and today I'm going to start showing you some fun things you can do with LaTeX in the EquatIO LaTeX editor. A couple of months ago, TextHelp announced that EquatIO would now be free for teachers. That's the premium version. So if you're a teacher who teaches math and you're not using EquatIO, you pretty much don't have an excuse anymore. It's free for teachers. It works in Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Sheets, Google Forms. It's a pretty much all-around amazing tool. If you are using it, you may have noticed that down here you have what's called the Latex Editor. And for a lot of teachers, they might look at that and say, no thanks, that requires me to know some sort of computer code. I'm not going to touch that, I'll just type it in or do it by hand, which is fine. However, in my own experience, I've found that the Latex Editor is actually the fastest way to get the mathematics to appear the way I want it to. And so in this video, in the course of the next few videos, I'm going to show you some things you can do in the LaTeX editor that will hopefully save you some time when using EquatIO. The first things I'm going to show you are some basic operators that you can use, which you may find over here, but it's actually a lot faster to just know the LaTeX code than to move your mouse over here, click on the thing you want, find it, and then have it insert for you. The first one I'm going to show you is the C dot tag or command. And what that is the little round dot multiplication operator. So if you want to use the circular multiplication operator, that's called the C dot in LaTeX. So you could do something like 2, and then it's a / C dot, and then type in whatever you want. So 2 times 3x equals 6x. It automatically adjusts the spacing for the operator, so there's enough space between things, which is kind of nice. If you like the multiplication x, you can also use the times operator. So if I delete C dot and I use / times, it uses the x multiplication notation. But that's not all that I can do. I can also use some inequality notation. So let's say I want 2x plus 3, and I want to say that that is less than or equal to something. The LaTeX tag for that is / and then just a quick LE for less than or equal to, and I just type my number, and I get that without having to find it over here. Likewise, if I want to change it to greater than, it's just / GE. And lastly, for today at least, if I want to say that 2x plus 3 cannot equal 5, I want to say it's not equal to, so I'm going to use / NE. And those are a handful of ways you can save a little bit of time by using the LaTeX editor in EquatIO.